Namaskar, I am your host Narayankar. Friends, you all know the Delhi city is in total shambles. People are dying in the want of oxygen and medicines. They are also yearning for the beds in hospitals situated in Delhi. Amidst this, Arvind Kejriwal issues an order asking a five-star hotel to reserve 100 rooms for the judges for COVID-19 treatment. Just try to understand, people, that this is the same Arvind Kejriwal who had promised to change the political system in this country. But today, he showed that where and for whom his heart beats for. It beats for the VVIPs, not Aam Aadmi. And God save Aam Aadmi Party. There is nothing Aam for Aam Aadmi of Delhi from this Aam Aadmi Party. As expected, the Delhi High Court has pulled punches at Arvind Kejriwal and his government. The court said, "Arey bhai, we have not made any request to reserve 100 rooms for us, and you are passing orders left, right, and center without meaning to do anything about fighting the pandemic crisis." Judges very soon realized that if they had accepted the hotel stay, they would have fallen in the eyes of the billions who repose unconditional faith in them. The judges also came down heavily on Kejriwal and his government. They warned the government, if it is unable to handle the situation, they would hand it over to the central government. And during the hearing, an oxygen supplier named Mr. Seth said he has 16 MT of oxygen every day to supply to hospitals, but due to unclear orders issued by the Delhi government, he was not able to supply oxygen to the needful hospitals in Delhi. He said that the orders are not clear about how much oxygen is required to be supplied and where to be supplied, and due to which Batra Hospital did not get oxygen, and hence 21 persons died due to the shortage of oxygen. This is criminal negligence, Mr. Kejriwal. What did you think? That you can also purchase judges as you had purchased the silence of media persons or media houses by giving them advertisement? Mr. Kejriwal, the judges have shown your standing in their eyes, that you are a rogue chief minister. But I am not able to understand why the court did not initiate contempt proceedings against you or your government for falsely representing them. I urge the Honorable High Court, Delhi High Court, and Honorable Judges to not leave Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and his government to go scot-free by only reprimanding them. But it is very important for them to go ahead with the contempt proceedings, because he had falsely represented the Honorable High Court and Honorable Judges by reserving 100 rooms for the judges without consulting them or without consulting the court. This is a criminal offense and he should be punished legally. And I also take the opportunity to request the Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi to initiate NIA probe into the live Nautanki done by Arvind Kejriwal. Because we want to know whether he did this live Nautanki during the Prime Minister's and Chief Minister's meeting over COVID situation in the country. We want to know whether he deliberately wanted to give vital and sensitive information to the anti-brigade group inside India or outside India, whether in Pakistan, Iran, Turkey. We would like to know. Therefore, we as the people of this country would request Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah to take stern action against Arvind Kejriwal for this live television Nautanki. There should be an NIA inquiry into this matter. Friends, if you like this video, I would not say that you like it, but certainly I would humbly request any one of my followers to please share this video to your friends or relatives. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.